Colleen is just vacuuming out the chaff can in between roasts there. I like to do it in between every roast just because the screen is so small that I think just even a little bit of chaff buildup really does affect the efficiency of the fan. But we're getting ready to do a roast on the Quest.
Are you doing it again? It's up to
We're going to roast this Pulp Natural Brazil here, 125 grams. Drop the air. I'm going to have the air set at 5, or just at the minimum there. We're going to have the amp set at 5 for the first minute and a half. We're going to let that get down to 200. And that's where we're 220. We're going to drop it at about 220 and get started there.
Yep.
That's the air, and that's the amp.
So you just
Colleen, is this your very first time roasting on a Quest roaster?
Very first time roasting on a Quest roaster.
That's pretty exciting.
I'd say so.
Okay, we got it set at 5 there. We're going to drop 125 grams in. This dial here is your little egg timer, keeps the drum rolling. That runs about 20 minutes. It will stop the drum and also stop the signal to the elements. That's a nice kind of safety feature, but we never want to walk away from the roaster.
Tell me about airflow.
Airflow, we're going to stay at 5. Turning it towards you is going to reduce it. Turning it away from you is going to raise.
Okay.
So we're right about there. Let's get her started.
We're at 210.
So loading the roaster. We want to make sure that nothing goes in to the back here into the exhaust chute. This whole construction is pretty hot, so you want to be careful where you touch.
Only on the knob.
Only touch the knob. Stephanie here from Dogwood. Got it, Trish and John. Got Piero and Colin. And this dude just drove up from Kansas, from PT's. What's up, dude? Alright, so we're going to leave the amps down at 5 for the first minute and a half. At a minute and a half, we'll crank them up. Colleen here taking some notes.
Very vigilant.
So we're at about 130. We're going to go ahead and crank the amps up. Just about to 10 there. There we go. Nice. That goes good. We'll just watch the development here. We'll check back in a second.
Roast it, Quest it, try it.
Alright, what do we got here? We're at a little over 3 minutes now. Let's see if we have any kind of development going on here. Go dry it out. See a little bit of yellowing there. Alright. Oh, nice.
Oh, damn.
Let me see that again. All right. Holding fast with our settings here. We haven't made any adjustments. We used the 125 gram batch size. I found that that's a great batch size in terms of making really minimal adjustments through the roast. Can do 150, and some people are doing half pounders in here, or even 200 grams, and you can make it happen. You just gotta play with the knobs a lot more. But I like this 125 gram. It's a perfect sample roast size, and it makes it really simple in terms of operating. You get great even roasts out of that. So, all right, here we are. That's 7.5 minutes. Let's take a look at those beans. Nice. We should be getting into crack here. Our first crack in just a moment.
Let's just call it the exothermic phase.
Exothermic phase. Roasting. That's Piero there in the reflection.
Soon. Soon enough.
Oh,
Yep.
I just heard something.
I done heard it. Turn it up.
Let's wait a minute here. Not a full minute. All right, go ahead and let's turn the air
Toward me?
away from you. We're turning the airflow all the way up. Bring some more energy through the drum to promote the crack, the exothermic stage. And also we're gonna pull that chaff out of the drum.
Tipping.
All right.
Little tipping.
Oh, we're looking good here. I think we're just about done. Let's go ahead and dump it.
A little dark.
That's a little bit of a second crack in there.
Yeah.
That was 10 minutes and 20. That's like a production style dark full city plus roast.
Good.
Get it into the cooling tray there. You hear some second pops.
So turn on the amps.
No, turn down the amps all the way, so we're not just heating the empty drum, and the air stays full.
Man.
And there we go. That's the quest.
This is gonna go into our cupping of what is not SCAA spec sample roast.